This is how to make your tightrope walker balancing kit. You'll need scissors, 2 straws, a pipe cleaner, a bamboo skewer, 2 cups, twine, tape, hole puncher, and 2 binder clips. If you have flexible straws, separate the flexible end and also cut the skewer in half. This will let you use it twice. Next, use the hole puncher to punch 2 holes opposite each other on either side of the cup and cut 2 lengths of string about a foot long each. Thread the string through the holes in the cups and tie the ends. Tape the 2 pieces of straw together in the shape of a cross. Insert the skewer into one of the straws. In that same straw, insert the pipe cleaner. On both ends of the pipe cleaner, twist the pipe cleaner around the string, and you've created your balancing kit. You'll see that the cups suspend from either end of the straw. Next, run the string through the empty straw and tie either end of the string to binder clips. You can see it balances fairly simply between 2 chairs. Use the binder clips to attach to some object for support. And that's how to make your tightrope walker balancing kit. Hope you enjoy it. Have fun.